Good morning from the City of Rocks in New Mexico. And this is taken from our sun shelter at our spot. Looks possibly like we could be having some rain. But as you can see, it's beautiful here. And they have you camping among the rocks if you want to dry camp. Our intention, actually, was to dry camp. And when we went in to register for our camp spot, only one left. They said, "Oh, well, there's an electric spot. Would you rather have that?" Well, dry camping was $10 a night, and the electric spot was $14 a night. So that's kind of a no-brainer. We'll take the electric. And it got cold, and we had our electric heater on. Could we have made it without the electric heater? Of course. You know me. I pack way more than we need. And we would have stayed nice and warm. But it was nice having the electric to recharge everything. They also have water and showers. And for $14, you can hardly beat that. Plus, I think it's just an outstanding place to wake up to in the morning.
The City of Rocks was formed roughly 35 million years ago. And what's a couple million years among friends? But this is what the volcano left. All the, I guess we call sandstone that was around it over the millions of years has disappeared, leaving the hard rocks. There are many, many formations, holes in the wall, balancing rocks, just everywhere. The sun was out a few minutes ago, and it looks like some large clouds have come in, so it is making it kind of dark in here. Not as pretty as if the sun was shining on it. The park got its name, City of Rocks, because of all the, what they call, streets in between the rock formations, making the rocks more or less like buildings. And you can see there's what they would call streets in between, and you can walk in between them. And if you're going to walk in between them, I would listen very carefully for that rattle, because they're out here, those sneaking snakes.